Welcome to Perla Lichi's Remodeling and Glamorizing Tips. Today, we're going to talk about the kitchen. Oh yeah, the kitchen is the heart of the home. And I'm going to show you how to integrate that kitchen into the rest of the home. It's not just for cooking anymore. It actually becomes an essential part of the home with many other bells and whistles, which I'm going to show you today. No, I don't do dishes, sorry. But yes, the kitchen is the heart of the home. And let me tell you something. In this condo, which is a remodel, the first thing to do is to open up the space. And because the kitchen is the heart of the home, we have integrated this kitchen into the whole living space. And whoever said that the kitchen is just for appliances such as refrigerator, sink, ovens, which yeah, we need it. Someone's got to use them. Got to have all of that. But we also can add jewelry, such as beautiful marble with Swarovski crystals, which is what I call the jewelry. In addition, we got to wrap it around because we're integrating it and tie in the kitchen cabinetry with the TV entertainment center, which opens up the rest of the space. As you can see here, we've integrated the fireplace with the TV, and every inch counts. Every inch counts for storage. Don't forget storage. You need it. Tie it all in from top to bottom and integrate it to the space, all the way to the end. Tie it all together to the space. In addition, I'm going to show you when you have a kitchen and you're building built-ins. That's why it's called built-ins. Don't forget the rest of the walls. Just because you end up the cabinet here doesn't mean the cabinet ends here. Wrap it around. Wrap it around to the wall. Clad it. It's called cladding. So now, for example, we would have had right now a wall with an electric panel. Make it look like it's part of the cabinetry. Also, with integrating the architecture. When you're dealing with condos and remodeling, obviously we want to add lighting and bring the ceilings as high as we can, but you know you have to also create a pantry. So you take every leftover space to add as much shelving as you can. Very important. Don't forget it. Storage is maximized in the kitchen because it is the heart of the home. Slab work. We need it. We need as much space as we can for entertaining. Remember, this is not just the kitchen anymore. This is your entertainment area. You want to be able to sit as many people as you can in your space. So, you tie it together from one side to the other by giving you as much sitting as possible. And you do that with magnificent slab work. In this case, we laminated it as thick as we could. 3 inches in this case. Okay? Now, notice I spoke to you about cladding. We clad at the bottom where it would have been a drywall. Why settle for drywall when you can tie it in together with the rest of the cabinetry? Because now the side became part of the living room. So tie it all in. So now your kitchen is as dressy as your living room. As I said, kitchen is the heart of the home. Therefore, everything has to integrate. Make it so that the whole thing carries through. Don't make it as a kitchen. Make it as part of the living space. And here we are, entertaining and making the best use out of that beautiful kitchen, whether you do dishes or not.